Game keeps flagging the Dd-gate module DLL is missing. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Follow me for the safest way to restore your gaming library. To start the walkthrough for Dd-gate module, you can use my manual guide or the suggested resource for system optimization. This is the Dd-gate module, a specialized library associated with localized game guards, or anti-cheat gateways. It manages the heartbeat connection between the game client and the server-side integrity checker. Because it performs deep process monitoring, it is frequently quarantined by Windows Defender. If missing, the game will fail to initialize its multiplayer session, citing a security gateway timeout. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. The Dd-gate module DLL module is a localized part of the localized application interface logic integration, and you should reinstall the specific application that is failing to launch to ensure this internal library is correctly restored. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Dd-gate module file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. A quick warning, many sites offering Dd-gate module DLL are actually distributing modified files that can track your keystrokes and compromise your passwords. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. For users seeking improved system clarity, the diagnostic tool in the description references the Dd-gate module environment. If you've regained access to Dd-gate module thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.